question asks us, how do we know if a proton is more or less acidic based on its pKa? So if we remember, a pKa is the negative log of the Ka. And the Ka is the dissociation constant for a reaction, products over reactants. And so if an acid has a small pKa, let's take HCl for example, with a pKa of -7. The negative log of -7 is the Ka, and so the Ka for HCl is 10 to the 7th. With a large Ka, that means that there's a lot of products relative to reactants. And if we look at the dissociation equation, that means that there is more proton dissociated than associated. And so by having a small pKa, therefore a large Ka, that means there's more dissociated of the reaction than not dissociated.